Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I'm just going to show you a quick Sunday dinner. It's easy enough just to explain it through the video. I'm not doing a tutorial, but just want to come on and give a quick Sunday dinner idea for something delicious. I know sometimes people think they have to be in the kitchen all evening or Saturday night or whatever to make a nice Sunday dinner, but I'm going to show you something quick. Alright guys, this is zucchini, mushrooms, and onions. And all I did was get zucchini right out of my garden. And these are 2 zucchini stalks. And then I chopped it up and had some vegetable oil. I didn't do olive oil this time, I know you guys, but zucchini it's kind of watery. And I kind of wanted these to like do a fry, saute, if that makes sense. I didn't want it to be soupy or anything. So I had vegetable oil waiting on high. So I got the zucchini chopped up and I put it in the skillet, kind of sauteed it, and then I put the onions in, chopped up some onions, put it in, and then mushrooms, and then I seasoned it with Lawry's seasoning salt, a little bit of salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and this is what I use, Italian seasoning, and I put a little bit of Cajun seasoning in there, and I used the last bit of the garlic salt in there. So that's that. That's really simple and easy, and this is delicious, you all. Alright guys, so here is the potato pot. Excuse all the scrapes on the side, but I was whipping it up with the fork. And all I did was peel 5 to 6 potatoes. Easy with a potato peeler, you can do it really quick. After I got them peeled, I chunked up the potatoes and put them in boiling water that was waiting in this sauce pot. And after they got tender, I poured out the water and I started chunking up the potatoes. And then when I got them, fairly chunked up pretty good, and I used this, excuse all the potatoes on it, but that's what I chunk it up with. I got this from Tupperware. And it's easy to mash up the potatoes with that. If you don't have that, you can use a whisk or something, heavy. So after I chunked up the potatoes, I put in a little bit of milk, some sour cream. You can put butter or margarine in. I used salt, pepper, a little bit of Lawry's, and some garlic. No, I didn't use garlic powder. I used a little bit of pepper. I think I said pepper. But anyway, just season them how you like them and put butter in them. And then just whip them up. Like I said, these are chunky. These are kind of how we like ours sometimes. So they're chunky potatoes. And here is the chicken. If you watched the haul video, I told you that I went to Sam's, and on Friday I picked up a rotisserie chicken. So here is the rotisserie chicken. I just cut it up right out of the refrigerator. It's easy to cut right out of the refrigerator because it's cold. So I cut up all the, cut the pieces. I have 2 leg quarters in there and 2 wings, and this just kind of sliced some chicken off of there and put some of the chicken juice in there with it, and just put it in the microwave for like 4 to 5 minutes, and you have it. So that is a quick, easy Sunday dinner. I'll show you what it looks like plated up. And here it is. You have the zucchini, mushroom, and onion medley with the leg and thigh quarter, and then the chunk mashed potatoes. And we have butter on them, and also I put some shredded cheese on it, and then kind of ladled the hot juice from the chicken on there, and it kind of melted the cheese and butter even more. And there you go. I didn't make garlic mashed potatoes this time. I usually put garlic in them, but I didn't put garlic in this time, but they're still delicious. All right, so there's our quick Sunday dinner. We could have put rolls in it, but you all know I'm trying to somewhat do better with, our dieting and stuff like that. So no rolls today. All right, guys, have a blessed one. Bye.